Grabo have introduced a great range of stand-up, air-filled numbers and shapes. We've got some new ones that we're launching for Halloween and Christmas as well, which we're really excited about. But we have got the full range of numbers in the pastel pink, pastel blue and silver. Now these are superb if your client just wants to take one of these off the shelf and inflate it themselves at home. They come with a straw. However, as a decorator, you're going to want to add a little bit more value to it. They come with a little inflation point, as you'd expect. So very simple to hand inflate. You can use an electric inflator. I just need the exercise. You can even use the straw that's provided, but that really is hard work. One thing you do have to think about if you do use the straw is obviously your breath is slightly warmer than the normal air. So if you do use the actual straw to inflate, the chances are this is going to go a little bit soggy after a while, as the temperature of the air inside it will cool down to normal temperature. So don't be worried if it does deflate, just put some more back into it. I say if you're using your electric inflators or you're using your hand pump, you're going to end up with a nice cool inflate. And that's kind of it. That's how simple it is just to inflate. They will freestand, so great for tables. But to make you a little bit different and to upsell your products, you want to know what else you can do. Firstly, tape down your valve. You don't need to see it. A little bit of sellotape, double-sided Velcro, even just a little glue dot, just to keep that tucked away, out of the way. All about the details. The other thing you can do is you can vinyl personalise or handwrite and glitter write. Obviously vinyls are really popular at the moment, just for sticking onto the numbers. We've got an example here. Straightforward done with a little Grabo star attached to it, just attached with U-glue. Now, what I'm going to put on this little one is just a little flower. Flowers are a really easy way of adding value to your designs. So I'm just going to take a 260 reflex balloon here, leave quite a bit uninflated at the end and give it a good squeeze to soften it. I'm just then going to twist the balloon, making sure that I'm always twisting it the same way, either away from my body or to. Keep squeezing and that pushes the air that's inside it up so that you've got the same size bubbles. The number of petals you do will depend on you. 6 is a nice number, but quite often 5s work well as well. Just want to make sure they're all nice and even. And then it's just a case of playing, straightening out the petals so they form a flower. The end little bit here we can just snip, but I'm going to snip the end and still keep a little bit inflated. I'm going to twist a little bubble, very small one in the end, and fold that over to create your flower centre. I can then just wrap that neck into it to seal. And I love my knots, so I'm just going to tie a little knot to make sure that nothing's going to escape. Snip off the bit that I don't need. And then this can simply be attached as a little additional add-on value to your design. Any sort of glue dots work. My preferred ones are the little U-glue dashes, just because they're incredibly adhesive And I know that I don't have to worry about them when I stick anything on with them. They're great in all different temperatures, and they're so sticky I can't even take the backing off them. That was a joke. I can. I'm just being useless. So decide where you're wanting to be putting your little detail and stick. As simple as that. With the addition, I say, of pen writing, handwriting or vinyling onto your design, you've then got something that's very bespoke and worth an awful lot more than the sum of its parts. So something you can upsell from and actually make a very good profit from very little minimal work using the beautiful Grabo stand-up balloons.